This is a test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can hear an echo in my voice. If I turn up my voice volume, you can see the bleed through on the systems. Then if I turn the sound up on the music, there's a bleed through with that as well. So no matter what I do, there's always a bleed through and the echo. Playback, I've now just tried default communications. Over here, I've got this set as both. I may be able to set this as no, I've just got the 4 there by the looks of it. Alright, that sort of gives you an indication. I shouldn't be getting anything coming through here. I stop the music. Now it's just me. And I'm still getting that bleed through.